If you're still relying on referrals, word of mouth, or waiting on random leads, let's be honest, it's not working anymore. Not because you're not a great attorney, but because the world and your clients have moved on. In this short video, I'll show you 3 hidden mistakes keeping great lawyers stuck. And the smarter, automated way firms are now getting 5 to 20 new clients per month, without more staff or more stress. If you're like most small firm owners I speak with, you're brilliant at law and overwhelmed by everything else. You're losing leads because you're too busy to follow up fast. Your website is outdated, or worse, invisible. And marketing? It feels like a gamble that never pays off. Here's the truth. It's not your fault. You've been stuck in a system built for a world that doesn't exist anymore. Let's talk about the 3 biggest false beliefs holding small law firms back. False belief number 1, referrals will always keep us busy. That's what we call the referral trap. They're unpredictable. And today's clients? They're Googling first. False belief number 2, I don't have time to do marketing. That's the capacity crunch. And you're right, you shouldn't have to. That's what automation is for. False belief number 3, online marketing is risky or unethical. That's what we call compliance paralysis. Sure, there's risk in doing it wrong, but done right, it's fully compliant, and it builds trust faster than word of mouth. So, how do we flip these beliefs? Breakthrough number 1, predictable lead flow. We run targeted Facebook and Instagram ads to reach local clients who are already looking. Then we optimize your Google business profile, so you show up when it matters most, at the top. This is the system I built after seeing how many great lawyers were missing out, not because of their skills, but because they didn't have the right tools in place. Breakthrough number 2, automated follow-up. Instead of chasing leads manually, we install AI phone agents. They call, qualify, and book consults directly into your calendar. They follow up instantly, not hours or days later. You just show up to booked calls. We handle the rest. This isn't theory. It's the same system I use in my own business. Built for lawyers with 0 extra time and no interest in learning tech. Breakthrough number 3, reviews that work in the background. Clients trust reviews, but most firms don't ask, or they do it manually. We automate the process. Review requests go out automatically. They're FTC compliant, ethical, and they build a 5-star profile that earns trust before you ever speak to a prospect. You don't need to be tech savvy to use this. The system handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on your clients while the automation works quietly in the background. It's like setting a GPS. Once it's on, it just guides everything forward. So, if you're tired of lead roulette and want consistent, measurable growth, let's map it out. Book a free discovery call. The call walks you through exactly how the system works, using a live process map tailored to your firm. No pitch, just clarity. Even if we don't work together, you'll leave with a clear view of what's working, what's broken, and how to fix it. So if any of this hits home, click the button below, grab a time that works, and let's explore how this can work inside your firm. Because the law you practice is too important to stay invisible. Let's fix that, together.